This is Tim here from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to restart your frozen Samsung tablet. So if you just look at the side buttons here, you're going to see the power button and then volume down. Go ahead and just hold both those buttons down at the same time. And after about 10 to 15 seconds, your Samsung tablet should restart. So I'm holding those buttons down, volume down, and the power button. See Gemini is on the screen, but the tablet should turn off. So just hold those two buttons down, and if you hold it down right away, you'll see this menu pop up. So if you're doing it right, you might see something on the screen move or change, and then boom, it turned off. So I let go. It only takes about 5 to 10 seconds to actually restart it, and then you can just press the power button to turn it back on. But very easy. So it's usually whatever volume button's the closest to the power button. So this one's volume down. So sometimes they have the volume rocker down here and it'll be the volume up. So just look at that. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out.